Come on, text. Show some emphasis. That's better.
Telefonini shurkaten dog.
Time for a vacation. Caillou, here I come.
This must be the airport where I put it in the baggage claim.
Hello, Caillou number 2. Maybe you can come into my house one day.
Welcome to Orlando International Airport. Do you have your tickets and IDs?
Yes, we are all set to go.
The siren means you may need to go to gate 15.
Attention all passengers. The Buckingham Nimbus will be boarding at 9:15 in the evening. We ask all passengers to board the plane immediately.
Did you hear that, Hal? It's time to board the Buckingham Nimbus. I know, my former dog cousin. Let's all board the plane.
This plane will be taking off shortly. Or, I can't remember.
Attention. When the plane is boarding, we advise you to turn off any other devices such as the Nintendo 3DS, the Samsung Galaxy and the Acer tablet. We will be taking off.
There it is, Nature Cat. The moment you've been waiting for.
Hello. You didn't expect me as your bear server, you?
Oh, it's you, Fillmore the bear.
Fillmore the what? No. That's the weirdest thing I could ever imagine.
That's the weirdest place I could ever see. What kind of place do you call that? Oh my god. It must be Hal from Nature Cat.
That's right. Anyways, we're on a vacation. Would you be interested in participating on a vacation?
I would love to, Hal.
Guys. There's a new hotel waiting for us. My pals say it's a fancy new hotel. That's one massive skyscraper. I wonder if I can fit this tower up there.
Nature Cat, no. You can get hurt if you fit into this big and massive tower.
It doesn't matter, Hal. Just joking, I may look for another hotel I might find.
That on a good hotel going wonder. Let's go check.
You know my name. Well, my name is Fillmore the bear. Nice to meet you, stranger.
Marco and Fillmore Bear are just miniature and they can't be smaller than you to fit in this hotel. Wahahahahahahahahahahahahaha.
こそ黙れ。春。ゆっくりしていってね。
Nature Cat, just look at all these shiny things. Wow. I simply ran out of words, just look at it.
This is the nicest kitchen I ever could imagine, Hal. This place is amazing. Just look at all these lights that illuminate my mind. Not to mention my nature. I laugh at the face of not much of a chance. Ha 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 ha.
Manda's kitchen must be so delighted. But it might be old, so it might have been replaced from old into new. Oh well, at least the kitchen looks new.